Hey all, in this video I'm going to show you how you can basically use the custom fields that we are sending over from Jane to HighLevel. Specifically, I'm going to show you how you can actually set up, send SMS and emails reminder for the upcoming appointment, because I know Jane doesn't allow you to do two-way texting. So when you have this sending reminders and they respond back to you, you can actually see and receive the response and get the conversation going. Anyway, so what you can do, you can click on add a new trigger, and then what we want to is contact changed, and on the contact change we want to put this filter, which is going to be upcoming appointment, should be in a start time reminder, upcoming appointment reminder start time. So you click on that and you just say if it's changed to, you save the trigger, and then what we're going to do, we're gonna set an event start date, and the type is going to be a custom field, and the custom field is going to be the same thing. So inside the contact custom fields, and we're going to look for upcoming appointment reminder start time. So we set that, and the way that it comes, it's looked exactly like this, and I'm going to save an action. Now what we can do, we can set a 24 hours reminder. So we're going to say wait, instead of time delay we're going to choose event appointment type, and before we're going to say 1 day, move to the next step. That step is already in the past, you got to move to the next step, basically save action. So this is going to be 1 day before, save action, and then you can send your SMS in here, whatever you want to do. And again, if you want to use that date and time, you can use the custom field that we've been using in here, and then you can do a 1 hour one. So again, same thing, even time, and this is going to be instead of 1 day, it can be 1 hour. So it's going to be 1 hour reminder. And once you're done with your reminder, what you want to do, so we're going to do the other SMS as well, whatever, put it in here. And then what you want to do, you want to just put a wait for 1 day in here. I'm going to tell you why we're doing this. We're going to put wait 1 day in here because we are allowing re-entry, and the reason for that is because we're fetching a lot of data, and sometimes GHL keeps triggering this and adding the contact here. That's why we put the wait in here, making sure that they're not going to get multiple messages and SMS. So this is the upcoming appointment reminder that you can use within your Gen integration. And the other integrations that you can build is, for example, canceled and follow up. Again, this is if a contact changed or a contact created, then we do a filter on if the last appointment was canceled and it was today or it was yesterday. So within today or yesterday, we send up the follow-up email and SMS as well in here. I would suggest to always put a couple of hours wait in here, so it actually makes sure, because the timing sometimes it might be a little bit of delay because of the fetching. So that's how you do the cancel follow-up. You can do the exact same thing for no-show follow-up. Now, if you want to ask for review, if someone done the first visit, same thing, contact create, contact change. You just check if the number of appointments that they have, it's been 1, and their last visit was in the last 3 days. So it's like making sure that it was their first visit. And you can do the same thing in here, sending them reviews. You're making sure that it's their first visit. Now, if you want to do reactivation, this is kind of how you do the reactivation. Again, contact change and contact create. You basically work with the last visit. So this one is looking if the last visit was 3 months ago and they don't have any upcoming visit. And then basically based on that if else statement, it's gonna send the SMS and emails. No show follow-up is exactly like cancel, it's just a filter that is different. Now post appointment follow-up, it's very similar as well. So you put a condition to make sure that the last visit, like let's say if they did a visit today, you're gonna wait for a day or two, and then you do your post follow-up. And again, because we are sending you all those information about treatment and those kind of things, you can still do a switch in here based on the treatments and different follow-ups. But yeah, these are just some of the workflows that you can build based on those 40 plus data point that we are sending over. Thanks, bye.